In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see archived tasks in ClickUp. If you've cleaned up your workspace by archiving old items but now need to review them, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look and how to display those tasks without restoring or changing anything. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, head to the space that holds the work you're interested in. Spaces are the big containers in ClickUp, and archived tasks remain in the space they came from, so choosing the correct one is key. If you work across multiple spaces, take a second to pick the one where the task originally lived. Inside that space, switch to a view you're comfortable with, either board or list. Board view lays tasks out in columns, which is great for scanning by status, while list view shows tasks in a structured, spreadsheet-like list. Both views can surface archived items, so go with whichever lets you scan most effectively. Now look toward the top of your view for the filter controls. You'll typically see a filter button or a funnel icon. Open it to reveal options that narrow or expand what appears in your view. By default, most views hide archived work to keep things focused, so this is where you tell ClickUp to include it. Within the filter panel, find the Archive option, sometimes labeled Archive or Show Archived, and enable it. As soon as you turn this on, your view will refresh to include archived tasks alongside anything else your current filters allow. You'll usually see a visual cue, like a dimmed style or an archive label, so it's easy to tell which items are archived. You can click into any archived task to read its details, comments, attachments, and history. This is perfect for audits, referencing past work, or confirming what was completed without changing the task's state. When you're done reviewing, simply disable the archive filter or clear filters to return to your active work. Keep in mind that filters can persist in a view, so if you leave archive enabled, you may keep seeing archived tasks the next time you open that view. If you enable archive and nothing shows up, it likely means there aren't any archived tasks in that space, or another filter, like assignee, status, or date, may be narrowing things down too far. That's all there is to it. Open ClickUp, choose the right space, switch to board or list, open filter, and turn on archive. With this quick approach, you can confidently find and review archived tasks whenever you need them.